nag-file ng diborsyo doon sa ibang bansa. Then, the other party pwede mag-file ng divorce dito sa Pilipinas. Petition for judicial recognition of foreign divorce. Or, dalawang Pilipino, nagpakasal, tapos naging naturalized, then nag-file ng divorce doon sa ibang bansa. Yan. Pwede rin mag-file ng petition for judicial recognition of foreign divorce. Isa yan. Pangalawa, MJ, yung tinatawag na Muslim divorce. So, yung mga Muslim brothers and sisters natin, may divorce yan under the Muslim law. And pangatlo, yun ang tinatawag na relative divorce. But iba ang pangalan natin sa under the family code and the civil code, hindi yan relative divorce. Tinawag siya ng legal separation.
Yung.
Bakit legal separation? Kasi nung ginawa itong new civil code noong 1950, August 30, na-approve ang civil code and on the family code naman, yung 1988, very influential ang mga Katoliko, yung mga Catholic leaders natin, yung mga bishop, mga leaders ng simbahan. So, sila yung naglabi against the divorce. That's why, naging compromise, tinawag yan na legal separation. But actually, legal separation is divorce. Ang pagkakaiba lang, ang legal separation is a relative divorce, recognition lang na hiwalay kayo, but kasal pa rin kayo. Ibig sabihin doon, separation in bed and board, but kasal pa rin kayo. Therefore, hindi ka pwedeng, kung legally separated ka, hindi ka pwedeng magpakasal uli. Kasi under the eye of the law, you are still married. Kung magpakasal ka uli, madimanda ka ng bigamy. Kung may boyfriend ka or may girlfriend ka, madimanda ka ng adultery or concubinage. Kasi nandyan pa rin yung bisa ng kasal. Recognize lang na batas na hiwalay kayo. Therefore, ang epekto doon, separation in bed and board. And pangalawa, yung liquidation of the conjugal properties. Yun lang epekto ng legal separation. That's why, tatlo lang ang divorce ng Pilipinas under the present legal system.